guys, this is RHK8, and if you're watching the last video, we unboxed the main characters Beyblade, Zeros, Samurai, Ifrit, the attack type. And I told you the second Beyblade would be a surprise. You probably know it because it's in the title, but the second Beyblade I unboxed it. About to be unboxed this thing. Ninja Salamander was in the Japan, and for Takara Tomy, it's called Shinobi Salamander, which Shinobi is ninja. Shinobi is ninja in Japanese. So that's a little fun fact for today. Salamander looks pretty nice. Looks like the same Shogun Steel, Beyblade Top Synchro technology. I'm pretty happy Hasbro copied the same thing, but it's just a little bit different in colors, stats. And now I have 2 warrior wheels, so pretty cool. Yeah, really cool warrior wheel. Even has a little face on it. I really like that Hasbro did that design. Now let's open this. And it's a balance type, SW145SD balance type. I already have the parts. I wanted to get, because my first Shogun Steel Beyblades, I wanted Salamander and Ifrit. I only saw the double pack of it, but Ifrit didn't have the right parts. It was pretty good color. It was like red. And yeah, there was also D Phoenix at the store, and some Shogun Steel double packs. I was about to make a bee hunting, but I was so excited that I forgot. There was D Phoenix. My brother told me to get it because I forgot to show you the manual for, the instructions for the Shogun Steel, because I thought no one cared. But that's pretty cool. I didn't know how to do synchro. I should have read this. Attack mode and defense. Okay, now I know. Attack and defense. Yeah, it's a little bit it's not. They made it shorter. Here is the code. The second Beyblade of the series to be made. Orange ripcord. Really nice color. Oranges. Nice color. Ooh, now we're opening it. And here comes out the Salamander face bolts. Ooh. Mine took long because that was my first COG Beyblade, aka Shogun Steel. Really nice. It has a big X instead of a diamond. A little bit longer than the other face bolts, though. And here comes the... Ooh, this is the other. See, it's the other one in the display. See that? Oh, here is the wheel. Really nice, and it has a... Yeah, it's really pretty rough around the edges, but it's really rough in the inside. And you see this? Really nice texture. And this has more light because my camcorder has light. My other one, it didn't have light until my brother showed up, and then he was just watching me, and he put some light because you guys couldn't see the face bolts. Here is the element wheel, which is fire. Really nice texture to it. SW145, black. Don't have this kind of color, but I have the parts to it. And it's currently in... I can't tell. It's like transparent. I think it's in... Oh, it's a little bit looser. Oh, it's in... I think I dropped it. It's in defense mode. So you can, there's 2 modes you can switch in. This and the SD. I already have a lot of these. From Bull Nightmare Rex, a lot. Now let's get these parts out. Orange tool, orange brownish, and here comes this teal kind of color. Ripcord launcher. Don't have this kind of color, and if you combine it together, it makes a really good, kind of cool looking launcher. Looks like a mechanic launcher. Now let's assemble this together. Now I know how to assemble this. They have no like support for it, so that's kind of weird. I identify that weird, but it's kind of harder to put the pieces on because if you don't keep it stable, it's not gonna work. So you have to kind of like fit it like that. I can't show it in camera because it's really hard to fit this. Okay. There. Oh, I dropped it. It makes me feel like the spin track's kind of out of order. Until I put the tip, it will be good. And then the last part, the black SD tip, and it will be good. Okay, Ninja Salamander. Really good Beyblade. My second 0G Beyblade. Not bad choice. One of the best 0G Beyblades. So let's have this for a test launch. Get that out of the way. And yeah. Ooh, battery. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let it flip. Ooh, that one almost went out. Yeah. Pretty stable. It's kind of like going in another direction. Like it's not really stable, but I would say it's pretty bulky. Oh, I'm gonna show you the other mode really quick before I end this video. Yeah. Sorry guys, this takes a lot. Both are approximately 7 minutes. Almost done, guys. Oh, okay. There you have it, in the other mode. So I'm gonna just launch this screen launcher. Like, okay. Ooh, looks pretty ferocious to me. So like this video, make it your favorite, and subscribe. And peace out, guys. This is a really fun video. Second year Beyblade, and I'll do a battle when I have the time. See you later.